Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do a new chapter, chapter 12, exponents and powers. We have done this chapter in class 7 also, but for recapitulation we have started again. Say one number, say we are writing as in this way, say 10 to the power 5. Now we know that 10 is the base and 5 is the power or exponents. So in this form, we are writing 10 to the power 24, where 10 is base and 24 is the exponents. How we will read? 10 raised to the power 24. Similarly, if we are writing 2 to the power 5, that means 2 is the base and 5 is the power or the exponents, and 2 will be multiplied 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5 means 2 will be multiplied by 5 times. Now 2 to the power m, same manner 2 to the power m, 2 will be multiplied m times. Now this portion is new for class 8. Powers with negative exponents. Powers with negative exponents means here 10 to the power minus 1. Base is 10 and power is minus 1. How we will write it? We will write it 1 by 10 to the power 1 or 10. Actually, we need to write its reciprocal when we are writing in the form of in the power of minus. Minus power indicating that it is a reciprocal of that number. Say 10 to the power minus 2. So we will write 1 by 10 to the power 2. This negative sign, when it will go in the denominator, become positive powered. Similarly, 10 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 10 to the power 3. 2 to the power minus 2, 1 by 2 to the power 2. 3 to the power minus 5, 1 by 3 to the power 5. This power form is the first time you are doing in class 8. Remaining all the laws, whatever we will discuss will be the recapitulation of class 7. Now we will discuss the laws of exponents. Now, first one, a to the power m into a to the power n. Bases are same, powers are different. Into sign, we will add a to the power m plus n. A to the power m divided by a to the power m, a to the power m minus n. Power of power, a to the power m whole to the power n, a to the power m into n. Here the bases are not same, only powers are same. So what we can do, a into b whole to the power m. And you know that any number to the power 0 we will get 1. A to the power m whole to the power a to the power m by b to the power m equal to a by b whole to the power m. A to the power minus m, this is new for you because in class 8 you are doing it first time. So a to the power minus m, 1 by a to the power m. Where a and b, in this law we are using a and b many times. So a and b are non-zero integers. They are non-zero integers, and m and n are any integers. And m and n are any integer. May be positive, may be negative. They may be any integer, but m and n, a and b are non-zero integers. Okay. Now we will start exercise 12.1. Question number 1, evaluate. 3 to the power minus 2. Now you know 1 by m to the power a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. So we will use this law and you write 1 by 3 to the power 2, positive 2. Actually you have to write the reciprocal of 3 to the power minus 2 is 1 by 3 to the power 2, it will be positive sign. Evaluate, that means you have to find the value. Now 3 to the power minus 2, 1 by 3 square, and you have to find the value. That means evaluate means you have to find the value. 1 by 3 square means 3 into 3, 1 by 9. Next question is minus 4 whole to the power minus 2. Whatever it is minus power, so whatever the number is given, we will write it in the denominator with a positive power. Whatever the power is given here minus sign, we will write it in the denominator with positive power. Now 1 by minus 4 into minus 4, because minus 4 will come 2 times, then minus minus plus 4 4 is 16. Next sum. Question number 3, 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 5. As it is minus power, so we will change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator to make it a positive power. That means you have to make its reciprocal. So 2 by 1 whole to the power positive 5. Now 2 to the power 5, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 5 times 2 will be 32. Next, we will do next question, question number 2. Question number 2, simplify and express the result with positive exponents. Simplify and express the result with positive exponents. That means you will have to express the final result with exponents, with power. Simplify. Question number 1, minus 4 whole to the power 5 divided by minus 4 whole to the power 8. So minus 4 whole to the power 8, you know that we are doing a to the power, bases are same, minus 4, power is 5 and 8 division. That means a to the power m divided by a to the power n. We have to write a to the power m minus n. Using this law, we will do this. Minus 4 whole to the power 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Now the result is minus 4 whole to the power minus 3. 5 minus 8. Minus sign will come because larger number is 8 here. Now to make it positive exponents, what we will do? 1 by minus 4 whole to the power 3. Next sum is question number 3, minus 3 whole to the power 4 into 5 by 3 whole to the power 4. So there is no same bases are not there, so we will evaluate only. Minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. As minus and it is an even number, power is even, so minus 3 to the power 4 will become plus 3 to the power 4, because minus 3 will be multiplied 4 times. Minus 3 will be multiplied 4 times. So minus minus plus and minus minus plus, then again finally plus plus plus. Or more easily you can remember that when minus power is with a positive even numbers, even powers, then it will become plus. So plus 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. Generally we are not writing plus sign in front of any number. Now 3 to the power 4 minus divided by 3 to the power 4, you can cancel, you can subtract 3 to the power 4 minus 4, that is 3 to the power 0. So final result is 5 to the power 4. Understood? Question, next question, it is question number 4. 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now same base, powers are different division, you need to subtract the power minus 7 minus minus 10, minus 7 minus minus 10, because you are subtracting the two power into 3 to the power minus 5. Now 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. 3 to the power 10 minus 7, 3 into 3 to the power minus 5 means 1 by, okay, you can write in this way only, 3 to the power minus 5. Again bases are same, powers are different. So what you can do, 3 to the power 3 plus minus 5, or the space is not there, so we are writing here 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 plus minus minus power 5, that is 3 to the power minus 2, or with positive exponents you need to write, you can write 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power minus 2, that is 1 by 3 to the power positive 2. Understood? Come to the next sum. Question number 5. 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 to the power minus 3. Here bases are not same, but the powers are same. So a to the power m into b to the power m, in this according to this law we will write a into b whole to the power m. We will use this idea, this law here. Now 2 into minus 7 whole to the power minus 3, both the powers are minus 3, so minus 3, this is minus 14 whole to the power minus 3. We have to express the result in positive exponents, so minus 3, that is why we have to make its reciprocal and positive 3. Okay, practice this, students. Thank you.